Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to redeem a gift code on Embark. Redeeming this code will give you access to premium features, in-game items, or other virtual rewards. To get started, open a web browser on your computer and you can use any browser you like. In the search bar, type id.embark.games and hit enter. This will direct you to the official Embark website. Before redeeming your gift code, you'll need to log in into your Embark account. You can sign in using a Steam, PlayStation or Xbox account. So for this, we'll be logging in with the Steam account. So we'll click Steam and enter the credentials. After entering the details, we can click Sign In to access the account. Once logged in, you'll see your profile page. On the left hand side, find the Redeem Gift Code option and click it. This will take you to the gift code redemption page. Enter your gift code in the provided box. And once redeemed, the virtual goods will automatically be added to your account. After typing in the gift code, click the Redeem button to finalize the process. Just remember the gift codes may have expiration date, and each unique code can only be used once. And that's how easy it is to redeem a gift code on Embark. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.